Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Many players prefer Clash of Clans on a bigger screen, and that's where BlueStacks comes in. It's an excellent Android emulator, perfect for bringing your favorite mobile games to your computer. Imagine building your base or leading attacks with a mouse and keyboard. It just feels more precise and immersive. It truly enhances your gaming experience. Your first step is to get the BlueStacks installer. Head over to their official website to ensure you're downloading the authentic and most current version. Once you've clicked that download button, find the installer file, likely in your Downloads folder, and simply double-click it. The installation wizard will guide you through the process, making it quite straightforward. Just follow the simple instructions. With BlueStacks up and running, it's time to connect your Google account. This is just like setting up a new Android device for the first time. You'll be prompted to sign in with your existing Google credentials or create a new one if you don't have an account. This essential step unlocks the full power of the Google Play Store, allowing you to access all your favorite games, including Clash of Clans. Now for the exciting part, getting Clash of Clans. Inside BlueStacks, simply open the Google Play Store application. It functions exactly as it does on your phone or tablet. Use the search bar, type in Clash of Clans, and hit Enter. You'll see the official game listed. Just click that Install button, and BlueStacks will handle the rest, downloading and installing it for you. Once Clash of Clans is installed, simply launch it from the BlueStacks home screen. For the best experience, you might want to tweak a few settings within BlueStacks itself, like display resolution or allocating more memory, if your PC can handle it. This ensures super smooth gameplay and great graphics. Now you're all set to enjoy building your base and battling foes with the comfort and precision of your computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.